Oh, we've arrived at tip number 4. Welcome back. Practicing photography. Let's check out the website for tip number 4. Tip number 4 comes with actual task for you. This is a photo I took. It's not the best on this one. It looks a little bit better on the full screen when you look at it. But what I've got here is a starburst. So if I click on this, you can open up the tip. This is playing with the exposure triangle. This is one of the impacts. To get the starburst, if you've ever squinted your eyes like this at a light and you can see little starbursts off of it, you're doing the same thing. You're making your eyeball teeny tiny. If you make it your aperture smaller, in other words, go with a higher number over f8, higher the better, you'll get starburst effect. That's how I did that. That's tip number 4, and I hope you enjoyed that. That was the tip for this video. This is Doug Gabbard practicing photography. Make sure you hit the subscribe and like and leave a comment down below. Give me a tip that you'd like to hear. Maybe I've got it already. It's on my website. I do have a search bar on it. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.